Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing BloxBurg, and we're going to be building my IRL real life bedroom. So, let's get started. Gotta get the walls, of course. And my room is kind of just a squarish. My room is like, okay, not that big. My room is pretty small. Let's see if they're this big. Then it has like this right here, like as a closet. And then kind of just go like this. I'm very bad at building, guys. I'm not good. So if you came here for a tutorial, you did the wrong place, girl. No. I don't know how to build, guys. I really don't. If you came for a good builder, you went to the wrong place. I hate this. I hate being a bad builder. Like, oh my god. Just because then I try to make a build for you, and I do terribly, but yeah, it's okay. I can have just a normal door, so yeah. And also it's like on the same wall as like closet is for some reason. Now let's get the floor. Our room has a carpet in it. So just build that real quick. It's kind of a blue carpet. Ooh, it's actually pretty good. This is probably like a good shade. My bedroom has like, my closet has like a wood floor, so search up wood. It's like that. Now let's color the walls, because my walls are also blue. I really, honestly guys, if I am honest with you, I don't really like the color of our room, but because my sister lives in that room, she doesn't anymore, so I'm going to try to, one of these days, try to repaint it pink or purple. But my sister really likes color blue, and yeah, so she has to pick it up, of course. Don't know why, but yeah. Now let's just pick the room, like the door for this. So let's just get one of these. I guess. Like, I don't know. I think that should work. What? How? Okay, now let's add storage. And then go to this. That should work. Okay. Okay. Now let's add the bookshelf that I have. Wait, no, we'll do that last. Okay, we could do the bed then. But also, there's one thing I want to do. Where's it? Wall trim. So there's, and now let's do the bed. The bed is like right here, kinda. So, and it's also a bunk bed. So, bunk bed like this. Ugh. I don't know what to do for this. Then we can color it. My kind of looks like I like the right color. We recently got like new sheets and everything, which are like purple. And then we have white covers. Then we have white pillows, of course. And then we have a wood, like, railing and stuff. So, wood. Perfect. Then we have those, which are white. I could go to decorations. I don't really have much on our shelves, but we also have that right in between it. Where's to put pictures on? Like that. Then over here we have a pink dresser. So it's like actually, I need to find it. It's like this. Then we paint it pink. Everyone is terrible, like, colors. I really hate that. Like, literally. Our room has the most random colors. But we just had this from our old house, so we just brought it to our house, put like our TV on it. You know? Okay. I can't find the electron. Save my life. Then we have that. We have a clock over it. It's alarm clock in it. Then decorations have like paper in it, some like magazines and stuff. A whole bunch of random things. So then we also have that one store, like little closet. Not closet, but like it's like a shelf that we painted black. Well, we didn't really paint it, but it's just like is black. It's always been that. And we put like a bunch of books on it. Like we have like books. We put movies on it. We put a bunch of stuff. Put some like old like CDs we don't find the discs for. Like the cases for. See if there's anything else that would like. Oh my gosh. Put some of our like towels on it that we don't like. Some plants. And like a mirror. So we have one of these. Okay. Let's go back to decorations and I'll be back for the tour. Okay guys, I finished the build, so now let's get started with the tour. Okay, so first we have this. Is a picture of Taylor Swift because my sister loves Taylor Swift. And then we have a picture of Ariana Grande because I love Ariana Grande. And then we have our two dressers. Ugh, I hate that this is stinky. Oh. But we have a picture of us two that I thought would like be perfect for it. We have a trash can in there. Our books, a cute little heart lamp. Our TV. And then we have our little shelf with the dog that I took a picture of. And then we have our bookshelf, our mirror. And then we have our bed. Very nice. And then we also have our closet. So, yeah, it's pretty nice. So, anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And make sure you to share it with your friends. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!